from actual Stephen Sears clients. And now you realize you can't put off planning for the future any longer. Now is the time to act. Order your financial education package from Stephen Sears, the book, the video seminar, the audio tape, and start living life worry-free today.
I had heard about Stephen Sears through a referral from a friend of mine who had used him a few years before. And he told me that he was very reputable, and that he was very skilled and very capable in the field that I was interested in at the time, which is asset protection.
During this program, you've learned so much about what we have to offer, asset protection, estate planning, everything. Now is the chance for you to make an appointment, to come in person, meet with us privately, set up a plan to protect your assets for the future.
Call now. Stephen Sears will teach you why and how you can protect your personal and business assets and wealth from lawsuits, the Internal Revenue Service, collection agencies, and inflation. You will also learn why and how you should protect your estate for your heirs. In addition, you'll learn why and how you can protect your privacy and literally become anonymous.
Well, one of our clients, for example, in real estate may own several properties. We've been able to achieve complete protection of the real estate using structures and methods and entities. That's been one of our main goals, and we've been able to achieve that very, very well. Today, people own so much real estate, they don't realize how much they have of value of real estate today. People's homes are worth $500,000 to $1 million. It's very, very valuable. Asset protection is very effective. I've set up over 4,000 asset protection plans in the past 15 years. We've been able to achieve virtually full protection for all clients' assets. It's amazing. I've protected real estate, homes, cars, boats, airplanes, properties, investments, businesses, securities. Everything's been fully protected. And at the same time, they saved on taxes and achieved complete privacy. It's been a very effective planning tool and method. Overall, I would say any individual that owns a business, owns a home, owns real estate, has any liquid assets, has any cash, securities, investments, even a bank account of any means, anything needs to be protected is anything you cannot afford to lose. So if you have an asset that's very important to you and you don't want to lose it for any reason, then protect it. And some of the protection methods are very modest. We can just use something like maybe a trust or a corporate entity to protect the asset. So think about it. Is there anything in your lifetime that you want to protect? Of course there is. And remember, you're not just protecting it for yourself, you're protecting it for your family, for your children.
I like the honesty. You showed me how to handle all these problems. I like the fact you took burden of complication, tax documents. You've done a great job for me to make our life simpler.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sears, for a very informative interview. I can't think of anyone who wouldn't want to utilize these asset protection strategies. In fact, I think I'm going to make an appointment with you right now. How about that?
Isn't it time you took action to protect your family, your assets, your way of life? Don't play with your future. Take that first step today. Order the Financial Security Kit from Stephen Sears. You'll receive a 60-minute question and answer audio cassette of your most asked questions concerning your financial future, a Wealth and Asset Protection Strategies book by Mr. Sears, and a 90-minute videotape seminar in protection strategies. Our regular price for all of this is $99. But if you call now, we will give you this financial education package, not for $99, not $79, but if you call now, just $49. But hurry, don't put it off any longer. You owe it to yourself. Do the right thing. Order Peace of Mind today, your complete financial education package. From noted attorney, CPA, Stephen Sears. Call 949-262-1100. That's 949-262-1100.
During this program, you've learned so much about what we have to offer, asset protection, estate planning, everything. Now is the chance for you to make an appointment, to come in person, meet with us privately, set up a plan to protect your assets for the future.
You've worked hard all your life. Wouldn't it be a shame if you lost it all in a heartbeat due to a bad creditor or the IRS or a frivolous lawsuit? You can have it all, and you can keep it all too. Asset protection is the secret that the rich and the famous use, and now so can you. It's easier than you think. Go on all the vacations you want. Enjoy the lifestyle you deserve, knowing that you can protect your business, family, and personal property from frivolous lawsuits, creditors, and the IRS. Stay tuned for the next 30 minutes and find out how the rich and famous do it. Your host, former soap opera star of The Guiding Light, Jean Carroll, interviews one of the top 10 CPA, attorney, and real estate brokers in the country, Mr. Stephen Sears. For years, Mr. Sears has set up hundreds of plans to protect and give peace of mind. Asset protection at its finest. We'll hear from Mr. Sears and eavesdrop on one of his famous seminars before a live audience. We'll hear from others who have benefited as well. This whole program is designed to give you valuable information on how you too, very simply, can set up systems and plans to protect your life, your business, your family, giving you the time and the peace of mind to enjoy worry-free the lifestyle you've always wanted and deserve. Mr. Stephen Sears is a CPA, attorney, Master of Science in Taxation, a law professor, a licensed real estate broker, and an investment advisor. He's written a book, a simple and effective guide to keeping everything you've earned, wealth and asset protection strategies. The author of a popular video seminar, Send Your Assets on Vacation, and an audio cassette series. Mr. Sears is a frequent speaker at seminars and has been interviewed numerous times on radio and television.
Mr. Sears, what exactly is asset protection, and how do you determine if someone can benefit from it?
What we do is we take several different topics and we combine them into one. We take income tax planning, estate planning, privacy protection, profit potential, asset allocation, financial planning strategies, and we wrap them into one, sort of all under one roof, so to speak.
These days, we're hearing so many news items about frivolous lawsuits. Is there anything that someone can do to protect themselves from this?
Well, we see so many lawsuits these days that are completely frivolous. Well, we use different structures and strategies. These are put together in an integral environment of actually putting together like partnerships, limited liability.
Mr. Sears' firm has offered personal service in the tax, legal, accounting, financial, and international arenas since 1979. His staff includes licensed professionals such as CPAs, attorneys, enrolled agents, investment advisors, and a highly qualified support staff. In the area of asset protection and estate planning, Mr. Stephen Sears' firm specializes in the formation and administration of business structures and holding companies. Through affiliated offices worldwide, he maintains relationships with the largest and most reputable trust companies and banking institutions.
Mr. Sears, you are a world-renowned author, an attorney. You speak at symposiums all over the world, and here you are offering your services to anyone who wants to give you a call.
Well, actually, we represent business owners, individuals, people in the entertainment industry, physicians, attorneys, real estate people.
My name is Joe Warren. I'm the owner and captain of the Electric Riverboat Angela Louise in Newport Harbor. I met them years ago, and during the course of these last several years, they've helped me in many ways. They've helped me with asset protection and helped me to guarantee that those things that I worked for and built to for the future have been maintained and safeguarded.
You can minimize taxes legally and file tax returns and be in compliance with all laws. The whole idea is do a legal, lawful strategy and at the same time save tax or defer tax. That's our goal.
I started the business about 15 years ago. With limited cash flow, a lot of taxes to pay. But you and Mr. Sears have showed me ways to protect my assets personally and business-wise. And that freed me up to do a lot of personal things with my family and take vacations.
Isn't it time you took action to protect your family, your assets, your way of life? Don't play with your future. Take that first step today. Order the Financial Security Kit from Stephen Sears. You'll receive a 60-minute question and answer audio cassette